In Glojas, we have the Smart Graft Care Protocol. When the patient follow this protocol, on day 7, we can see all the microscopes already been out. So today's day 7, patient have done a superb smart graft care. From the hairline here to behind here is about 4.5 centimeter. The width of the receded area is here to here is 4 cm. This is the M shape and this is a triangle called frontal temporal angle. We already fill up all the graft inside here. Today's day 7, after doing a good graft care, we can see the density, the angle, the direction of the graft in this triangle is in the properly placed and is followed by the international standard of hair restoration.
Okay.
This is immediately after the Smart FUE, and now this is day 7 of the Smart FUE. So we can see if you do a good smart graft care, this is what you get the result in day 7. Alright, today is already day 7. Do you want to say something about your hair restoration?
Well, the whole process was very smooth, very comfortable, and it's nice to see my hairline back after so long. So I would like to say a big thank you to Glojas and the team.